Say hi, Miss Boba. Say hi to Facebook, Miss Boba. Say hi to Facebook, Miss Boba. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby. Hi, Miss Boba. Hi, baby girl. Hi, princess. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. What I do, honeys? You was so pretty, honeys. It was so pretty, honeys. Look at her little nub. She's so cute. She's alert. She's 16 weeks old. She's been to the vet a couple times with the breeder. The breeder's vet thinking could be a liver shunt or nothing undiagnostic. She did have a large intestinal parasite load, and she had coccidia, but she's over that now. So we are getting her some nourishment, and we are going to see what happens. She's a little bit dehydrated. But we're going to figure out what's wrong. She's a doll. Look at her. Already got that down. Where's my food at, George? I'm starving, George. Very starving, George. Hi, baby girl. So this is what we're doing today. Also looking for a foster, this baby doll. Are you looking for a foster? So if you have to by Corny's store to get Corny's good food and goat milk from me, and you gotta take me a plantation, cause they make me better. It's okay. We're trying not to give you the whole bulldog because you're not a big girl. You're a little girl. You can't eat. Look at your stomach. It already fights. It already fights, little girl. For goodness sake, you putchets.